Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Shark gaming tablet and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the video mode. We can switch to the photo one, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, the mode doesn't mean anything because we will reset general settings. So let's open the settings, which are in the left upper corner here in this configuration, and now scroll all the way down to other. Tap on restore defaults, and your device will inform you that it will restore the settings to their defaults. So just tap on OK, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.